let's recycle these jars into some super cool fall containers. Hey friends, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy. If you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, so I have 3 jars, pickle jar and some salsa jars. Get the labels off. And then I'm painting each of them with a sheepskin color chalk paint. And I'm doing 2 layers on each of them. I think you could even go as far as doing 3 layers of paint. I did too. Then I'm going to paint the lids. I'm going to do one of them in a pumpkin, and I have a 1-inch bead that I'm also going to paint in pumpkin. Then another, I have Java, and another 1-inch bead, also in Java. Then the third, I'm going to do in Spanish moss, and the same 1-inch bead I'm going to do in the same color. I did 2 coats on those lids. All right, so then I have some Dollar Tree window clings, and I'm putting some dishwasher safe Mod Podge on the window cling, and then I'm going to add it to the jar once the jar that I painted is fully dry, of course. And then when you put it on the jar, just make sure that you get all the bubbles out. So I'm just using my finger to just go over it and smooth it out. Make sure that it's well adhered. Perfect. Look how pretty that is already. I love it so much. Super cute. And I'm going to do this for each of the jars. So one of them says Hello Autumn. I think, well, you'll see. I'm going to do the same thing. Mod Podge, dishwasher safe Mod Podge. And I did dishwasher safe Mod Podge just because on the off chance that we want to wash them, maybe we want to put something in them, maybe we want to put flowers in them. I don't know. It just gives us some variability in how we can use them. If you use regular Mod Podge, then you wouldn't be able to get them wet. And so we want to have greater usage. So there we go. So this one says give thanks. I love it so much. And then the third one, I think is something about cozy. And I'm doing the same thing, Mod Podge on the back of it. And then we're going to apply it to our dried or painted and dried jar. I didn't have 3 salsa jars. If I did, I would have used another salsa jar, but I used a pickle jar instead. And it's just taller than the other 2 that it makes it kind of look cute. And then I'm going to do a top coat of dishwasher safe Mod Podge on each of them. And you'll see here when I put them, I don't do the bottom until I put it down. And it gives it so that I can put it down without getting my fingers all nasty. Just saying. Then I'm going to put a little dollop of glue on each of the lids, and then I'm going to put their wood bead according to each of their colors. You could mix it up. You could do all different, you could do the green one on the brown and all that, but I chose to stay the same color. Then I have these little strips of ribbon that I had gotten, I think Dollar Tree, maybe Michael's, whatever, and I just tie them each onto man, words are hard. Sorry. I tie each one of them onto the wood beads that we already glued onto the lids, trimmed them, but look at how cute. Oh my gosh. And then I just obviously put them back on the jars and stop it. Look at, so cute. I love them. I love them so much. They're great singly, or you can keep them together like this. You could put utensils in them on your table and take the lids off. So many options. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.